Hello there, it's Daniel here from Sussex Campervans. I've got an amazing special offer for you. It really is quite exceptional. Let me tell you the details. First off, we include a full 36-month comprehensive maintenance package. This includes MOT, mechanical servicing, habitation servicing of the campervan part. It's all in. That's nearly £2,000 worth of value. And we've got up to £1,200 to spend in our Campervan Shop at the time of collecting your vehicle. Also, we're guaranteeing you the very best part exchange valuation on your car, your campervan, your motorhome, your caravan, anything with wheels, we'll take it in part exchange. You've got our unique 30 days Sussex Campervans money-back warranty. Yes, it's true, you really can buy one of our stock vehicles, drive it away, and you've got 30 days from date of purchase to say you don't like it for any reason at all and bring it back for a full refund. Subject to terms and conditions, of course. You can lock in our 2023 pricing before the price rises coming right across the motor industry in 2024. In case this isn't enough, there's a genuine £3,500 off all of these screen prices. Yes, that's £3,500 off all of our screen prices, only till December the 23rd, midday. Of course, this offer isn't for everyone. It's for the select few who can come and see us before the holidays, choose a lovely stock campervan they like, and place their order. Hey, don't forget, this offer ends at midday on the 23rd of December when we close for business. No exceptions. Click the link and download your voucher right now.